to the channel Acharyaji Online.
Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.
Good morning, भैया बहन of class 5. This day I am with you by taking new chapter multiplication and division. In this chapter we have to study about multiplication and also about division. One by one I will study about this. Today I will explain about multiplication. As you know, in previous classes the process of multiplication. In this class those process are valid too. Here we should know 6 multiply 2. What will be? You know 12. Similarly 12 8 we have to multiply. As you know 8 to the 16. Here we should write 6 in hand 1. 8 1 ja 8 and that one will be 9. This 96 is the result of multiplication of 12 and 8. Here 12 is called multiplier and 8 is called multiplicand, and this result of multiplication is called product. Similarly, in this multiplication you see this 6 is called multiplier, this 2 is called multiplicand, and this 12 is called product. Multiplication is also called repeated addition. A question is arising in our mind, why multiplication called repeated addition? So you should know 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Again 4 into 2, it means 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Here 4 is repeated addition and we will get 8. So multiplication is also called repeated addition. We take another example. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Again, by taking repeated addition, we should know 3, because here 5 times, so 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 is repeated 5 times and we will get 15. Therefore, multiplication is also called repeated addition. Now, we will discuss about properties of multiplication. Properties of multiplication. First, commutative property of multiplication. What is this? A into B is equal to B into A. Here A and B are both whole numbers or integers. As for example, 5 into 3 is equal to 3 into 5. Result of this will be equal. This is called commutative property of multiplication. Second property, associative property. Associative property. What is this? A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. Here B into C in a bracket, but in right side A into B in a bracket. As for example, 2 into 3 into 5 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. Here 3 into 5 is in a bracket, but in this side 2 into 3 is in a bracket. Result of this LHS left hand side and result of this RHS right hand side will be equal. This property is called associative property. Third property we will take as identity property. What is this? A into 1 is equal to A. It means when 1 is multiplied with any number, like here 5 is equal to this 5 will be product. This property is called identity property. Many other properties are valid like this. Now I want to give you some questions as homework. Right? Question number 1. Multiply A 85 into 32, B 623 into 18, C 88 into 12, D 629 into 108, and E 1000 into 100. This is the question number 1. Now write question number 2. Question number 2, write Mohan has 3 pens and a pen cost rupees 15. What will be total cost? This is the question number 1. Now write question number 2. Question number 2 is clear. Now write question number 3. Question number 3 is a boy has 3 horses. A boy has 3 horses and a cost of a horse is 265 rupees. What will be total cost of the horses? This is the homework to clear you, and related exercises will be cleared by you. I hope this. Thank you. Okay.